Everybody. So today we're going to be talking about the Home Depot Net 30 account. So we're going to just go straight into it. I'm going to go over the requirements towards the end. I might pitch in a few requirements that I know people need to have in order to complete the application process, but I don't want to go into that too much. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Home Depot website. I'm going to drop the link in the bio, and then you're going to drop down and go to the commercial account and click apply now. Then here you're going to see two different cards. Now the top card is a PG, but we're not looking for that. We're looking for no PG, which is down here is 2% or 60 days. So we're going to go ahead. It says payment due in full each month. And no, it says 60 days, but it's 30 days. So make sure you're reading before you apply. And then we're going to go ahead and click apply now. Then we're going to click create an account if you don't already have an account. I don't have one, so. And then for the email address, you're going to put your business email address. You're going to create a password. You're going to put your business name, your first name, your last name, your business phone number, your business address. And as for here, it says business or trades. So let's click. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and put hotels and lodging, just because I am doing some Airbnbs right now. So go ahead and fill this out. So once you fill in all that information, it says now choose your subscriptions. It says pro, get jobs done with up to date. So this is pretty much just saying just keep up to date with what's going on. I chose pro just because I want to know what's going on, if I can save a bit or not. I'm also going to start a cleaning business here soon, so this would be great, especially with like tools and stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and click save. So the next thing it did is took me to a different website. Well, not a different website, but it took me to Citibank to actually do the process. For this, you put your business name again, and if you have a DBA, you can also do that, and also put your business email address. Also, once you filled out that last portion, it does send you an email to your business email address, and make sure you look through that because sometimes it asks you to verify information. So go ahead and fill this out. So the previous ones is just going to have you to fill out some information about your business, and it's going to ask you, is it a nonprofit, or what kind of business do you have. The next screen after that is going to ask you about your finances, your annual revenue. Me personally, I put my business revenue combined with my W-2, so I'll be more likely to get approved. You don't have to do the same thing I'm doing, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing so you can follow along or not. For personal guarantee required. So I know this is asking for your social security number, but I spoke to a rep and she said to put your EIN number in place of that. So if you want it to report to your credit profile, you can, but if not, just put your EIN number, which is, to me, a smart idea to just put your EIN number. You don't want nothing attached to your credit profile. So go ahead and fill this out. Okay, now we have completed about your business, about you. Like I said, make sure you put your EIN number, and then you're going to hit continue. And then it says, how can we contact your business? Make sure you put your business phone number. Make sure your business is registered with the directory. And then it says, okay, how can we contact you directly? You can put your business phone number again. Now you have to put your business address. And then it says, okay, how can we contact you directly? You can put your business phone number again. Now you have to put your business address. Now you have to put your business address. Now you have to put your business phone number again. Now you have to put your business address. Now you have to put your business address. You can put your name or whoever is in charge of this. So for beneficial owners, you have to at least own 25% of the company in order to apply for this company on this behalf. All right, so here are the terms and conditions. You have to pay it every month. They're going to mail the card to your business address, so make sure the address is correct. We're going to scroll down if you want to take a look at this. Pretty hefty. Late fee is $20 on the bounce. Ooh, yeah. Make sure you pay this on time. So now this is it. That's all you have to do. It says thanks for applying. They're going to contact you via email in a few weeks. For me, well, as far as what the rep told me is they will contact you through mail and email. So make sure you're looking out for that. Also, they will send you an email. So make sure you're constantly checking your email. But as far as the requirements for this card, you have to make sure you have your EIN number. You have to have at least, I would say, 8 to 10 trade lines reporting. Some people get away with having 6 to 8. It just really depends on how your business is set up and what kind of accounts you have on your credit profile. But for me, I have 2 gas cards. I have 6 trade lines reporting. And as far as Home Depot goes, they report to Equifax and I believe Experian. I'm not sure if they report to DMB. I will have to check back on that. But that's all the requirements. We walked through all the steps. I will be dropping one more video before the year is out, just doing a recap of everything I've done this year and how I'm moving forward next year. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and like if this helped you at all. Have a good one.